Oh my goodness, do you notice that?
Yeah, I do. Are they
So guess
solar?
what? We are going to have to break out the vacuum on this one.
Yeah,
You,
there's.
you should see how they're hanging out, yeah. Hey, it's Monica at King's Titan Homestead, and I am out here unpacking all the bees that I brought in last night. So I brought in 4 different hives that are contained in 4 different styles of hives. And this one being, I think, the smallest. We're gonna find out. This is a little pot, just an upside down, and this is a very common spot. We're getting a lot of calls for terracotta pots that are upside down. You know, you're not using them, no plants inside them at the moment, and you flip them upside down thinking it's the best way to store them, and actually it becomes a beehive. So they're gonna all get pretty excited here in just a second. Give them a little smoke. Whee! Hello, girls. Good morning. Good morning, babies. All right. Let's see what we got here. So, I love doing these kind. They're kind of like an old style skep. And so let's see what we got. Okay, so as you can tell, their entrance is literally at the very tip top there. And so we're just gonna kind of tip this backwards and see. Ooh, look at all the beautiful comb. Well done, ladies. Well done. Very pretty. Yeah, and it's very fresh, so it's just kind of falling. You gotta get them into the frames. This is so small. They're gonna be probably pretty happy going into like a 5-frame nucleus box. And I am just going to put them in some medium frames. So it looks like that'll be what they fit into the best. I'm quite busy. Yep, it broke. Okay, so on this heart one, they had a little bit of a meltdown already. Probably extremely fresh comb. And these bees here were the ones that we had to suck up. We had to actually get the vacuum out, the bee vac. And so these bees will be reunited with these bees. But let's take a peek at what we've got here. Yeah, a little bit of a meltdown. Oh, the comb is just flopping out. Yeah, soft. Oh, just gently. Oh, look at that. Oh, they've been in there. Okay, what a mess. Now to give this a sort. That's quite a few bees up in there. Oop, and they were already outgrowing their spot. They're making queen cells, getting ready to swarm. Young still, probably just capped. Let's hope the queen is still here. There she is. It's gonna be fun finding the queen in this one. Wow, I saved the best for last. Oh, wow. Okay, so unpacking the bees took me about an hour and a half to get all those girls into their new boxes. And I'm finishing up my morning with a snack made by Andreas, Lebanese beef stuffed zucchini. I can't remember what he called it. Oh, I can't wait to try this. It looks so delicious.